All right, we're waiting for it to blow. I think I got everything right. It sucks that anticipation. Yay! All right. All right. Nothing blew up.
Turn off the temperature rises, right?
It should. So we can close it up. All right. So what we did? We're putting a regular motor, not an electronic motor. So we had to feed all the wires through a little pipe like this. And I installed this contactor that looks familiar from your junk pile. And the 24 volts for commanding the motor to turn on come from shit, no, it shut off. That's actually, it's working, that's good. Yeah. Okay, well, I gotta close it up. It's starting to ring.